And it's going to be two 6-metre square garages, which are on a slight angle to one another with a beautiful walkway. There's going to be lots of oak in it, lovely oak cladding, oak doors, oak beams.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Clevett and you're joining me on the big garage build. Everything you see in this first little montage of videos is basically all of the stuff that we've recorded and we've made video of. So anything you see here, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go back through the big garage build playlist and have a little look at some of the progress since the very beginning. This is an amazing job. It's not often you get to work on such a wonderful job like this. But I was able to help Jack Arletta, the main contractor, who called us in to do the carpentry, joinery, and all of the other woodwork on this job as well. So basically this is the last of the on-site videos until we put the oak garage doors on that we're making. And we're going to be doing some cladding, or I'm going to be doing some cladding, which involves me doing the smallest bit of cladding above the apex of the roof, which is a tricky little job. It's hard to access. I have to work off the roof itself. But anyway, this is some of the footage of us actually building the structure. It was such an enjoyable job, and the weather was on our side most of the time. It was a little bit cold when we were doing the main roofs. But apart from that, it's been an absolutely fantastic job. Here's the structure with the bat safe membrane on. These are the big oak trusses that we lifted in. And then it was on to cutting and pitching the roof. There's been fixing some of those rafters into the big oak purlins, slotting in the hip rafter. All of this, as I say, has been done in videos. And even the eave here, putting all the sprocket pieces on that we made and had to fit, which gives that lovely feature and kick on the roof. And this is what the cladding is looking like. This is the green oak cladding. It's beautiful material. And basically that's where I am in this video. I'm just about to do the small bits that go up and over that link or walkway in the middle of the roof. I hope you enjoy it.
This is officially the last of the cladding on this job, the big garage build, and the last of the work. You can just about see me up here. You could probably hear the drone flying around in the background. And this is probably the most awkward bit because I've got to get all of these final bits of cladding on, and they're actually quite straightforward. It's been a really good job, a really interesting job, some really nice work on this job. So yeah, the last bits of cladding are super easy. Pilot them up obviously above. Even put a little stainless pin in to hold it while I fix it. It's nice. Checking it all for true. Been an epic job, this one. It's not often you get the chance to build something so beautiful. So yeah, what a journey this has been. Bricklayers did a great job. Roofers are doing a great job. So it makes it all slightly easier when everyone does a nice job of things. There we go. Pop a couple of holding pins. Pilot them up. Above the line of the one underneath. Bit uncomfortable, working up here. 50-degree roof. In a proper climate, this one. Right, nearly there. 2 more pieces, and then we're officially at the top. This will be the last one I can level. There we go. Straight in with a pilot. Got my screws in my pocket because my pouch is never going to work up here, unfortunately. Lovely little stainless steel cladding screw. And now for the last little bit. And that is our build here, the big garage build, well and truly finished. The last thing we have to do here is fix the garage doors. They're being made at the moment. But until then, I'm getting down and calling it a day. Job's a good one.